Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA G3460 printer. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office using the control panel. Then I'll show you how to do the same Wi-Fi setup using an iPhone, how to do wireless printing, scanning and copy, and a review in the end. So let's start with the Wi-Fi setup. Now first step is to switch on the printer. Go to the control panel on this section. On the control panel, press the setting icon. Wi-Fi setup or the setup menu will appear. Now click OK. Choose manual connect and click OK. It will search for the wireless routers in its range and select your Wi-Fi network. Select OK. Confirm it. Enter the password using the keys here. For that you have to use the setting icon again. You can use it to make it alphabets uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters, all are available through this. And then you have to use these keys to enter the password. So use it. Once you enter the password, press and hold the OK button. Once you see the apply, select yes. Now it's connecting to the wireless network or the router. Once it is done, press OK. Press the setting icon, you will see the signal is available there. That means your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now I'll show you how to set up with the iPhone or any Android phone. Now first step is to press the setting icon. In the setup menu, click OK. Select Easy Wireless Connect, click OK. So we have to follow the instructions in our iPhone. In the iPhone, download the Canon Print app. You can download it from the App Store. Once you open the app, it will ask you to search for available printers. It will ask you to join the network to G3460 series printer. Select the Wi-Fi network, enter the password, click OK. Here we can see the setup is complete. We can print the photos or we can do whatever we want. You will see the name of the printer series available here. So I'll show you the copy, which is the simple thing. So open the top scanner lid and place a page here facing downwards. Press the copy button and you can just select the number of copies from here and then select black or color. It will start the copy. And in the same way we can do the printing and scanning through this phone as a wireless printing and scanning. To do the scanning, place a page here facing downwards like this. Go to the scan option in the app and click on it. Click on the scan button and wait for the scanning. Here we can see the scan is available. Click on the exit button. It will give you the complete scan option here and you can save it or share it from here. To do the printing, simply select any document in your email or in your phone or any photo and just click on the next button and select print. You can also change the number of copies in the print change setting option, which is on the top here. This way we can do the Wi-Fi setup, then setup using an iPhone and wireless printing, scanning, also a copy. So overall it's a very good printer for home or office use and we can use it easily with our Wi-Fi network for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.